Hello everyone, welcome to an Outdoor Productions video. I am here with
Mike.
It's been a long time again since he's been on the channel.
That's for sure.
We're doing a KitKat taste test to see which one we think is better. And I just realized I don't have them all.
What do you mean?
There's more. Here's what we have. We have regular KitKats. We have white chocolate KitKats. We have dark chocolate KitKats. Blueberry muffin. Strawberry plus dark chocolate. Mocha and chocolate. The mint plus dark chocolate. Regular again. White cream. And pumpkin pie. So we're gonna go treating this as if it was a tier list on what we think is S, A, B, C, D, E, F, and just see what we think is the best KitKat out of this bunch. Now obviously there's a lot more. We have the Japanese flavors, we have green tea KitKats, we have lemon, regular strawberry, and things of that nature. Wow. This is what we could find.
Yes, we already did the green tea ones though.
So,
and it has tasted like chocolate flavored green tea. I guess you could say like chocolate green tea.
Starting us off in the mix, go ahead and grab, oh jeez, whatever's in there.
I saved it.
Regular KitKat.
I just set the wrappers in.
Yeah. Oh, here we go. Regular is always S rank for me.
I'd say about S for that.
Deserving.
Next up, we got white chocolate.
Yes, white chocolate that's been melted in Mike's pockets.
I had it for a little bit. Here, I'll keep the two broken ones. You take the whole one. Ready?
Yeah. I feel like I would give this one a B rank. It's not the best. I think it's the white chocolate mix. I would say B.
I wouldn't say it's the best. I'd say it's in the middle. What letter would that be?
B or C. B is like decent. C is like neutral.
I'll go with B too.
Oh, dark chocolate. Okay. There's one. Okay. I think I would personally put the dark chocolate at an S tier.
Absolutely.
The dark chocolate in a KitKat, first of all, it melts. And second, it's a strong flavor that just enhances the crisp.
Absolutely.
Blueberry muffin.
Oh, it sounds good.
The texture is really weird.
I didn't know what we were doing. It tastes like a chocolate flavored blueberry muffin. I guess you could say like a chocolate blueberry muffin.
It honestly tastes identical to a blueberry muffin. The outside is very dry. Feels kind of weird. And the flavor is a little bit too enhanced for my liking.
I enjoy it.
I think I would give it, I'd give it a C. That's like, I'm neutral on it.
I give it a B. That's just me though.
I feel like this is gonna be my favorite. Strawberry plus dark chocolate.
You know, I wonder if that's how how chocolate blueberry muffins happen.
What, blueberry muffin KitKats?
I don't know. This is an S for sure.
As much as I love strawberry, I think I might just give it an A. Because the strawberry is good, but you can tell, like, it's a really artificial flavor.
That's true, but I still enjoy it nonetheless.
Well, I think this is gonna be my least favorite. Let's try the mocha plus dark chocolate.
You don't think you'll like this one?
Not a big mocha person.
I enjoy them. Smells like coffee.
I don't even want to try the whole. You can have this if you want it.
Tastes basically just like coffee.
I think I'm gonna give it a D. It's not horrible, but I would never choose it again.
I'll say C for me. But I like mocha coffee. You know, I wonder if that's how like mochas happen because of these KitKats.
You're saying that KitKat created the first ever mocha?
I don't know.
Well, on to one of my favorite flavors, mint.
That sounds really good.
Mint plus dark chocolate. I'm glad we're trying all this chocolate at 7 at night.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. Should save this for last. However,
Ash for sure.
Absolute S. That's one of my. That's probably my favorite absolute.
Tastes kind of like chocolate mint ice cream.
It does. I love mint.
You know, I wonder if that's how how chocolate mint happened. Jake, do you have to ask me something?
Is that really how chocolate mint happens?
I don't know.
You'll have to excuse us for a second.
That's right, I went there.
Well,
Now on to the minis. Miniatures.
oh wait a second.
What?
Does yours say pumpkin pie?
Yes.
Does that say pumpkin pie?
That says pumpkin pie.
We've been tricked.
How did we get tricked?
They're all pumpkin pie. Okay. Let's do the pumpkin pie. S tier. The only thing is it doesn't taste like pumpkin pie all the way. It tastes more like pumpkin
ice
spice or pumpkin ice cream.
Last but not least, we got white cream.
White cream. Don't know how it's going to be any different.
Maybe it'll be creamier. That's what I like to get from it.
It's a little different. I can taste like a little bit more cream. I would actually give that a B.
Yeah, same with me.
Well, there is our brief summary of all these different flavors of KitKats. If there's another candy you'd like to see us do, let us know in the comments. We are up to trying any kind of other foods. If you are longtime watchers of Odd Foods with Jacob and Noah, you'll know that we love to taste test different kinds of foods. And Mike as well, since he is always our guest star.
Yep.
And that was good. If you like this video, like it, comment what you think, and subscribe for more videos.
Want to try more crickets?
And happy Halloween!
That is correct. Happy Halloween. It is October. It's Halloween. Wow, look at the moon now.